Yo, what's up, everyone? Today, we're breaking down the slang term give extreme effort in. So, what does it actually mean? In simple words, give extreme effort in is to put a lot of energy and focus into accomplishing something successfully. People use it when they want to highlight how hard someone is working or dedicated. Sometimes it can also mean something slightly different depending on the context. Where did it come from? Slang usually has a cool backstory. Give extreme effort and first showed up in everyday speech as a straightforward way to express dedication. Over time, it spread into everyday talk, especially among people describing work, sports, or school effort. Now let's check out how to use give extreme effort in a sentence. Correct example 1. She always gives extreme effort in her workouts to stay in shape. Correct example 2. I need to give extreme effort in this project to meet the deadline. And for laughs, here's a wrong example. My grandma said give extreme effort in at Sunday dinner, and everyone just froze. See how slang adds personality and vibe? Using give extreme effort in right makes you sound natural, but using it wrong can be hilarious. Quick recap. Give extreme effort means to put a lot of energy and focus into accomplishing something successfully. It started in everyday speech, and now you'll hear it in conversations, online, or even in music. Now it's your turn. Drop your best sentence with give extreme effort in the comments. And if you want to learn more slang and fun word histories, don't forget to subscribe and join our community here every day.